Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charmy here, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY video. As you can see, I got a new surrounding. I'm outside today. I decided to record outside. It feels good out here, but don't mind what I look like. I've been up since like 6:30, 7 o'clock this morning. Had to take my daughter to school so she could take her in-person testing, so yeah. But I won't about to sit here and try to get all cute for that, so yeah. Just got on the tee, some jeans, and my champion hat. Now, being the fact that I'm outside, y'all, I gotta warn y'all. Of course, you should already know I cannot control any noise that you hear in the background. You're gonna be hearing cars coming through, and like for instance, right now, and you're gonna hear all this other stuff. So y'all, please just ignore that. But I'm not gonna hold you any further. If you are a new subscriber, hello, welcome. My name is Charmy. I do videos on beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. And for all my returning subscribers, hey girl, what you been up to? And make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that like button if you enjoy watching any of my videos. Please, I cannot express that enough, y'all. Make sure y'all are hitting that like button, because that's how I know what y'all like to see. If y'all really like my videos, if y'all just like what I'm putting out there. And I'm not gonna hold you any further. Let's jump straight into the video. Okay y'all, so for this DIY project I'm doing today, I got these old, when I say old y'all, I got these old 11's, excuse me, I got these old 11's, y'all. They, not the best. Look at the soles, all done, everything. But y'all, I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna glitter these 11's. Now, I'm not gonna glitter this cloth material right here. All this part right here, I'm not gonna glitter. All I'm gonna glitter is the patent leather part right here, this white right here, even this little part right here, and the soles. That, now, not so much the bottom of the soles, but the part that you gonna see around that, this part, the one that's turned yellow. I have thought about getting these 11's reconstructed, but if y'all don't know, if y'all haven't ever done it before, go ahead and look, and just look in your area and see how much people are charging just to reconstruct some 11's. Why would I pay $500-600 to get a pair of used shoes reconstructed when I can go buy me a new pair with that money? She ain't even playing. So yes, I'ma just go ahead and just try to DIY a little project. I mean, what's the harm? If it work, it work. If it don't, it don't. I mean, they just already done. They got a little bit more wear in them. I mean, you know, so I can try to do what I do to make it work, but if not, it's not a big deal. So I don't feel like I'm gonna win or lose with this one. But look, let me get y'all a closer look at these things. Look, these were the Space Jam 11's. Had them for a while now. You know, I mean, so yeah. So what I am using today, I got some Podge clear acrylic sealer. I'm gonna spray this after all the shoes is completely done. I also got some gloss Mod Podge, and the glitter I'll be using, I picked this up from Walmart. I believe it was $2.94 each, and I know I'm probably gonna need more, but just to start me off, I got a black, actually it's just black, this is Onyx, and I got crystal diamond. I'm probably gonna need more, which is okay, but for now we're just gonna start this off right here. And as well, I got me 2 different size sponge brushes. Now this one, I don't know if I'm gonna really use this one. This one is a bigger one, so I wish I could find my little one, but this one has got like a square head, and I needed to have like this little, you see how it's like a little dip or something right here? I don't like this square head, so I don't even know where I got this from. Oh, you know what? I know what happened. I can already see it. The kids done cut the tip off my sponge. I can't have nothing. That's what happened when y'all had kids. Y'all make sure you know what you're doing if you don't want no kids, because they will ruin all your stuff. These little churn and cut the tip off my sponge. I don't even want that one no more. We just gonna use this one. And then I also got these Crafter Square. I picked these up from Dollar Tree a long time ago. I just always need paint brushes for any and every reason, but yeah, Crafter Square. And I'll use some of these paint brushes for like the creases, and just to make sure, you know, I get around it correctly and everything. So I'll be using a couple of these out of here. And of course I got 2 paper plates so I can catch all my glitter. I'm not trying to waste no glitter. But yeah, 2 paper plates. Okay, so I'm only gonna show y'all me doing 1 shoe, and it'll be the left shoe. What I am gonna do, I'm gonna probably go in the house and get like a baby wipe and clean and dry the shoe off real quick, just to get some of the little dirt off it. I'm not too pressed about making the shoe clean. I just don't want any dirt to interfere with the glitter sticking. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. How I'm gonna do this? Because my paintbrush won't fit in here, thanks to them churn. I'll make it stick in it. Okay. So I got some on it, but I don't want a lot. So I'm gonna wipe some off. And then I'm gonna start in sections. And I'm gonna work on the patent leather part, the black patent leather part. And I'm gonna just go ahead and apply some Mod Podge. I'll show y'all when I'm done. I'm not in no special shape or form. I'm just applying Mod Podge. And I'm gonna work in sections, y'all, because I'm scared to try to be Miss DIY Queen and mess something up. Okay, so you see, I applied it in that one little section. And now I am going to sprinkle glitter everywhere. And let it shake it off. Tap it off. And look, I did it. They're gonna be cute. Ooh, she excited. So y'all, I'm not gonna talk no more. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the whole patent leather without showing, you know, and then I'll come back and show y'all. Well, I'll keep recording, but I'll come back and show y'all at the end. Okay, y'all, so this is what the shoe looking like so far, and this is only the first coat. So yeah, I think it's gonna turn out cute. I think they're gonna be cute. She gonna bring them back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other shoe off camera, and I'll come back to you once both of the black patent leather parts of the shoes are done. Alright y'all, so I had to wrap up all my stuff because I didn't know it was supposed to rain today. If I knew it was supposed to have rain today, I wouldn't be doing this right now at this very moment. But let me show y'all what I got so far, and then we will pick this up probably tomorrow. So this is only the first coat on all the shoes, y'all. Now, I don't really like this black because it looks kind of, you know, I don't know. But yeah, this is what both sides of it. I think it's cute. It's cute. This is what both sides of the shoe was looking like. Don't worry, that little bit of glitter I'm gonna wipe off right there before it dry. But yeah, this is what the shoe's looking like. Like I said, we'll pick it back up tomorrow. Okay, so as y'all can see, this is still the same day. I'm very anxious. I can't wait. Just by looking at the drawers, I can't wait to continue doing it tomorrow. It stopped raining, but it looked like it's about to rain again at any moment. So I just wanted to come back and let y'all know that I'm not going to record this on camera, but I'm going to let you know what I'm ready to do. So this is the left shoe, the first shoe that I did. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this part right here is gonna be white. This part right here is going to be black. I might end up doing the bottom, I don't know, that ain't that deep. But this part right here, I'm gonna also do that black also. Nah, I'm gonna have to do that white just so it can, I don't know, we'll see about this part. But yeah, so what I'm about to do off camera, just so y'all know, before it starts raining again, I'm gonna just try to get as much as I can. I'm gonna do this white, and then this part right here black. And I'll come back to y'all if it don't start raining by then. Okay, so good morning y'all. This is the next day, and I went ahead and completed the shoe last night just with the first coat of all the glitter and everything. So, but one thing that I will be honest that I did that I should have recorded was I went ahead and sprayed one thin layer of this over top of the glitter just to seal it in for the first coat, because I noticed that the glitter was still trying to come off after I had let the Mod Podge dry the first time. So I'm gonna show you the shoes, and then we're gonna go ahead and begin the second coat, and then we'll be done. So this is the shoe. You can see I glittered all the way around. Everything is sealed in. It's not coming out, so we're good to go. I didn't do the bottom. I just did around the edges. And I did not do this part right here, and I'll just go ahead and do this with when I begin to do the third coat, and then we'll be done. What do you want, Ada? I still got all my same supplies from yesterday. My plates, spray, my Podge, my brushes, and my glitter that I just put in a bag and tied up. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay everything out, and then we'll begin to go ahead and start that. Oh y'all, one thing that I did notice yesterday, when you are applying the Mod Podge glue, put the smoothest, thinnest coat that you can put on there. Make sure it's not a lot of lumps or thick patches of glue anywhere. So make sure you can smooth it out as much as possible, and then sprinkle on your glitter, because if you don't, you'll have patchy spots of glitter. Not saying it'll look bad or anything, but I didn't like that look. So just make sure that you're doing that. Make sure you're putting thin, smooth layers over top. And that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and put my layers of Mod Podge and then sprinkle the glue just like yesterday. Nothing new. Okay, y'all, so I have completed the second coat of the shoes. This is what it's looking like. I did not do the bottom, as y'all can see. I ain't worried about that. But my shoes are done. Now the only thing left to do is go ahead and spray the sealer, the Mod Podge sealer, over top of the shoes. And once I spray it, you have to spray. I'm gonna do two big two applications of this spray, and in between time you have to wait 15 minutes in between time. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all the first application, and then I'm gonna show y'all my completed shoes. Okay, so you're supposed to shake your can up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it really good, shake it really good. And then you just spray. Oop. Okay, so I sprayed the first coat. I'm gonna let them sit and dry, and I'm gonna wait about 15 more minutes, and then I'm gonna come do another coat, but I'm not gonna record. I'm gonna just show y'all my final results. So stay tuned.